Welcome to today's New Tech English. Today we are going to unbox the new Oppo Reno 12 5G mobile phone. This is a mobile phone box. Let's see what's inside the box. Open the box. First they have given mobile phone. SIM ejector pin. Some stickers. And quick start guide. Mobile phone transparent case. Type A to Type C charging cable and 80 watts fast charging adapter. And finally, Oppo Reno 12 Pro. First, you look at the display of this mobile phone. 6.7 inches 3D curved Full HD display and 128 refreshing rate. 1200 nits peak brightness, HDR10 plus support and Corning Gorilla Glasses 7i production is given. Front camera 32 megapixel front camera and in-display fingerprint sensor is there. And you look at the back panel of this mobile phone. This is called futuristic fluid design and this color sunset pink. And this mobile phone available in two color variants. One sunset pink, another one matte brown. This mobile phone has triple camera setup. Primary camera is 15 megapixel Sony LYT600 camera sensor with optical image stabilization support and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera sensor is given and 2 megapixel depth camera sensor is given and flash is dual color tone flash is given. This mobile phone's right side power button and volume up button given. Mobile phone's top side mic, IR blaster and speaker grill given. Mobile phone's bottom side speaker grill, Type C charging port, mic and SIM tray given. This mobile phone's processor is MediaTek Dimensity 7300 energy processor and this mobile phone's operating system is ColorOS 14.1 based on Android 14 and this mobile phone have 5000 mAh battery with 80 watt fast charging support, 46% charge in 18 minutes. Thank you.